you need to change the display on your iPhone, the process can vary slightly depending on the model of your phone. However, in general, the process involves the following steps. Back up your data. Before beginning the process, it is important to back up all of your data to ensure that you do not lose any important information. You can back up your iPhone using iCloud or iTunes. Power off your iPhone. Turn off your iPhone completely before starting the repair process. Remove the display assembly. Remove the screws on the bottom of the phone and use a suction cup to lift the display assembly away from the phone. Be careful not to pull too hard or you may damage the ribbon cables. Disconnect the ribbon cables. Once you have lifted the display assembly away from the phone, you will need to disconnect the ribbon cables that connect the display to the logic board. Be gentle when disconnecting the cables to avoid damaging them. Remove the old display. Once the cables are disconnected, you can remove the old display from the phone. Install the new display. Carefully align the new display with the phone and reconnect the ribbon cables. Reassemble your iPhone. Once you have connected the new display, reassemble your iPhone in the reverse order that you took it apart. Power on your iPhone. Once you have reassembled your iPhone, power it on to ensure that the new display is working properly. If you are not comfortable performing this repair on your own, it is recommended that you take your iPhone to an authorized repair center or to an Apple store to have the repair done professionally.